How to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Binance mobile application. Then tap on the wallets option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, tap on the spot option in the top, and over here in your balances, you need to simply tap on Solana because you want to transfer Solana from your Binance account. Then tap on the withdrawal option over here and select the send via crypto network option. After that, you will be landed on this page where it will ask you to provide the withdrawal address. So in order to get the address, you need to launch your Phantom wallet, and over here you need to tap on the receive button that would be on the home page of yours. After tapping on the receive button, you will be able to see various types of networks, but since we are working with Solana, you need to tap on Solana, and over here you need to just copy this address. After copying it, you need to come back to your Binance account and paste the address in this section. In the network, you need to make sure that Solana network is selected. Then you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to transfer, but you need to make sure that the minimum withdrawal amount is 0.05 Solana. Then tap on the withdrawal option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to simply review the information and confirm your transaction. Once the transaction is completed, you will be able to easily transfer your Solana into your Phantom wallet. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.